Let me ask you this. Do you want to sound like every other salesperson, repeating the same lines over and over? Or do you want to grab attention in the very first minute and stand out? Today, I'll show you the new language of sales, the one that sets you apart. Same words, same results. Imagine you're talking to a customer, but before you, they've already spoken to other reps. And what did they hear? Our product is the best. Our price is great. We're number one. Now it's your turn. If you repeat the same thing, you're just another salesperson. But if you bring a fresh language, you become memorable. Sales isn't just explaining. It's making people feel something, sparking trust and curiosity. Look outside your industry. Here's what changed my career. I studied sales outside my own field. Car dealers built value first, then revealed the price. Insurance agents earned trust long before the contract. Software reps didn't just talk. They let people experience the product. I applied these lessons to my own industry. That's when my words flowed naturally. I stopped sounding scripted. My style became authentic, smooth, like water. Practice until it's natural. Most reps rehearse a few times and think they're ready. The truth? Practice isn't about saying it right once. It's about repeating it until you can't say it wrong. Think of an athlete. A basketball player takes hundreds of shots so that in the game, it's automatic. Sales works the same way. Repeat your lines 100, 1,000 times until in front of a customer, they roll out effortlessly with zero hesitation. Role play, repeat. Sales isn't learned from books, it's practiced. Record yourself, watch it back, or role play with a colleague. You be the customer, I'll be the rep. Let them push back. Too expensive, found it cheaper, not interested. Practice your responses. Do it again and again. When real objections come, your reflexes will be sharp. Be different, be unforgettable. Here's the truth. Hundreds of reps use the same old language. But the ones who create a new one, borrowing ideas from other industries, those are the ones customers remember. Because people don't only recall the price or product, they remember how you made them feel. Give them a new experience, and even if they don't buy today, you'll be the one they call tomorrow. At the start, I asked, will you be just another salesperson or the one who stands out and sticks in people's minds? The choice is yours. Learn a new language. Practice it until it's second nature. Do that, and you won't just be another rep. You'll be the expert who makes a difference. By repeatedly applying the 5 rules we discussed in this video, you can make a difference in your career. You will be able to convince your customers in less time. You are in the right place to learn more. Follow the How to Sell Smarter channel, because here we teach you not only how to sell, but also how to sell smart.